For centuries, the Bermuda Triangle has been a symbol of mystery, a place where the rules of logic seem to bend and nature plays by its own rules. A vast area of ocean, stretching between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, it's been the site of countless tales that defy explanation. Legends of vanished ships, lost planes, and eerie phenomena have transformed it into one of the most enigmatic locations in the world. But what is the truth behind the Bermuda Triangle mysteries? And why does it continue to fascinate us? Let's start with one of the most famous events, Flight 19. It was December 5th, 1945, just months after the end of World War II. 5 U.S. Navy bombers set out from Fort Lauderdale on a routine training mission. The skies were calm, the pilots experienced, and everything seemed to be ordinary. But as the flight progressed, something strange began to happen. Radio transmissions became erratic. Compass readings didn't make sense. As night fell, the bombers, one by one, disappeared into the Atlantic without a trace. A rescue mission was sent, a large patrol aircraft with 13 crew aboard. But then, as if a cruel twist of fate, it vanished too. No debris, no survivors, no explanation. To this day, Flight 19 remains one of the most puzzling aviation mysteries in history, and the Bermuda Triangle isn't limited to just planes. Entire ships have vanished without so much as a distress call. Take the story of the USS Cyclops in 1918. The massive cargo ship, carrying over 300 sailors and tons of manganese ore, left port in Barbados bound for Baltimore. But somewhere in the Bermuda Triangle, it simply disappeared. There were no weather reports of storms, no hints of mechanical failure, just silence. More than a century later, its location and fate remain unknown, fueling theories that range from rogue waves to something far more otherworldly. So what's going on in this stretch of ocean? Is it simply the cruel randomness of the sea? Or something more? Scientists have offered a number of explanations, some straightforward, others as strange as the legends themselves. Some point to natural phenomena. The Bermuda Triangle has frequent squalls, powerful storms, and sudden changes in weather that could catch even the most skilled mariners and pilots off guard. Beneath the surface, there are areas of ocean floor riddled with sinkholes, known as blue holes. Gas eruptions from these underwater holes, particularly methane, might cause a ship to lose buoyancy and vanish almost instantly. Magnetic anomalies are another possibility. Compasses have long been reported to malfunction in the triangle, giving rise to speculation about geomagnetic forces that could confuse navigation systems. It's rare, but plausible, that sometimes this region interferes with Earth's magnetic field, leading both pilots and sailors dangerously off course. But even as science offers plausible explanations, there are other theories that push the boundaries of belief: alien abductions, time warps, even interdimensional portals. Could the Bermuda Triangle truly be a gateway to another world? Stories of ghostly sightings, unexplained lights under the water, and accounts of strange radio signals only add fuel to these ideas, daring the logical mind to reconsider. One of the eeriest tales stems from the 1960s, when a Cessna flying from the Bahamas to Miami was lost. Hours later, a garbled radio transmission from the pilot reached the airways. "I'm in cloud cover. I can't explain it. Everything feels wrong." Those were his final words. The plane was never found, but witnesses reported a strange green light overhead just before the transmission stopped. Scientists credit weather conditions, but to conspiracy theorists, it was proof of extraterrestrial involvement. Yet not everything in the Bermuda Triangle has gone unexplainable. Many ships and planes passing through do so without incident. Roughly 20,000 planes fly over this region every day. The vast majority experience no anomalies at all. Could it be that the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries are exaggerated? Or do only a few unlucky souls brush against whatever secret this ocean holds? No physical evidence, no clear explanations. It's this uncertainty that makes the Bermuda Triangle so fascinating. It defies concreteness. It challenges our perception of what the world is and what it can be. Maybe that's why we're drawn to it, because we want to believe that there are still places where mystery reigns, where not everything can be easily labeled or understood. One last thought to ponder. The Bermuda Triangle, for all its allure, might not be unique. Other areas in the world, like the Devil's Sea near Japan, have similar reputations for unexplained disappearances. Could it be that our planet holds pockets of uncharted phenomena, places where the rules seem different? Whatever the explanation, the Bermuda Triangle isn't just a location on a map. It's an idea, a mythos, a glimpse into not just the